Have you been relying solely on ChatGPT for all your AI needs? But what if it suddenly disappears? Do you have any alternatives on your side? Well, worry no more, because we found the top 7 AI tools that not only differ from ChatGPT, but also excel in certain areas. Upgrade your AI game and take your projects to new heights by watching this video through until the end. Welcome to the Peak Performance channel. This is the place where you come to be inspired to create a more prosperous future. Now, as ChatGPT has become a go-to tool for many people, it's important to also consider other options in case it becomes unavailable, especially now that there's a high amount of people relying on it. It's better to be ready than to be left with nothing to fall back on. So these top 7 AI tools offer capabilities that can help you achieve new levels of efficiency and accuracy in your projects, and even much better than ChatGPT. So whether you're a developer, researcher, or just someone who's interested in AI, this is the video for you. So let's get started and take a look at number 7, Runway. Runway is a powerful AI-based tool that allows you to edit and enhance videos and images with ease. You can use it to remove unwanted parts of a video or images such as background, people or objects. It also allows you to adjust the size of videos or images as per your requirements. With Runway, you can edit your videos and images to make them look more professional and polished. To get started with Runway, you need to create a free account, and once you have an account, you'll have access to a wide range of editing options that you can use to make your videos and images look even better. You can remove backgrounds, change frames or alter objects within the images. Additionally, you can use it to clean audio and perform motion tracking. Now, the motion tracking feature of Runway enables you to track the movement of any object in the video, making it easy to edit and add effects. And this is particularly useful for creating special effects or removing unwanted elements from videos. The audio cleaning feature allows you to remove background noise or unwanted sounds from your videos, making them sound much more professional. At number 6, I'd like to introduce another AI tool called Pictory. Pictory is an AI-based tool that allows you to create short, highly shareable branded videos from your long-form content. And it's quick, easy and cost-effective and requires no technical skills or software downloads. It uses AI to automatically extract golden nuggets from your Zoom, Teams and webinar recordings, and that makes it perfect for sharing across your social media platforms. Pictory can turn scripts into high-conversion video sales letters complete with stock footage, music and voiceovers in just minutes. And this feature is useful for meeting production deadlines and creating engaging sales videos. But it can also convert blog posts into engaging videos on autopilot. This feature can help to increase search engine rankings and boost readership by adding a video component to your blog. Additionally, Pictory also includes a feature that automatically adds captions to your videos. Quickly, easily and accurately, we can help to increase the reach of your videos. Now, as 85% of social media videos are watched on mute, this feature is particularly useful for increasing engagement because it eliminates the need for expensive outsourcing or spending hours trying to do it yourself. To make the most out of Pictory, you can use it on a daily basis with paid membership. This will give you access to all of the features that Pictory has to offer, including advanced features such as video optimization, analytics and much more. With Pictory, you can create high-quality videos that will help you to engage your audience and, of course, grow your business. At number 5 is the third AI tool that I'd like to introduce. It's called Tome app, and it's an app that you will likely find very useful in the future. It's a storytelling app that allows you to easily create presentations. And with this app, you can input any information you want for your presentation, and Tome AI will create it perfectly for you with great accuracy and creativity. The app makes it easy for users to create professional-looking presentations with minimal effort, and it also offers a wide range of features such as text-to-speech and image recognition. With Tome app, you can tell your story in an interactive and engaging way, making it perfect for both personal and professional use. Now, here's a quick reminder before we continue. Make sure you smash that like button, hit the subscribe and notification button if you haven't already done so, as it means that YouTube sends you more of these kinds of videos, and of course it helps our channel as well. Now let's get back to the video. At number 4 is our AI tool called Browse AI. It's a tool that is particularly useful for businesses as it allows you to extract information from any website quickly and easily. With Browse AI, you can extract information from any website by simply entering the website's URL. The tool will automatically scan the website, pull out relevant information such as product prices, reviews and contact information. And this is an incredibly useful feature for businesses because it can save them a lot of time and effort when gathering information from multiple sources. Additionally, Browse AI offers advanced features such as data scraping, and that allows you to extract data from websites that are not accessible through normal search engines. And again, this feature is useful for businesses that want to collect data that's not publicly available, such as product prices, stock levels and other data. At number 3 is our 5th AI tool, Midjourney. Now this is a powerful tool that allows you to generate images by simply inputting text. You can input the text describing what you want your image to look like and what it should contain, and Midjourney's AI will create the image for you, effectively creating images out of thin air. So first of all, you need to go and click on Join, download Discord and create an account. And once you're logged in, you can go to the newbie section and see other users generating amazing images by inputting text, which will give you an idea of how to use the tool and get inspiration for your own images. When you click on Enter, it will take some time for the AI bot to create your image, but once it's done, you'll be able to see the results in about 16 seconds. You can see that there are 4 different images that the AI generated for you, and you can change or add something if you want by inputting more information about how you want your image to look like. Midjourney is a very powerful tool that can help you create visually stunning images. Then they can be used for a variety of different purposes, such as marketing, advertising, or even personal use. At number 2 is our 6th AI tool for today's video, and it's Jasper AI. It's a versatile tool that can be used for a wide variety of tasks. With Jasper, you can generate months of social media content in just a few clicks, which is incredibly useful for businesses and content creators. You can use it to create catchy YouTube hooks and introductions, TikToks and other types of content. Additionally, Jasper can be used to create fresh ad creative copies, optimize blog posts, write articles, create email copy, and even create website copy. It can also be used to generate art and images. But one of the best things about Jasper AI is that it allows you to generate high-quality content in a very short amount of time. However, though, it is important to review the content before publishing it to make sure that there are no mistakes or errors. And additionally, you may want to make some minor changes to the content to ensure that it's tailored to your specific audience. And by doing so, you can ensure that the content's engaging and relevant to your target audience. And you can try it out for free by creating a free account and clicking on the Try for Free button. However, there are also paid options available, so it's important to keep that in mind. Our final AI tool for today, at number 1, is OpenAI. It's the company that created the well-known ChatGPT model. OpenAI offers more tools than just ChatGPT, which may not be as widely known to the public. The problem with ChatGPT is that it experiences frequent crashes, which can be a significant inconvenience for users who rely on it for their work. When attempting to log into ChatGPT, users may encounter a message stating that it's at maximum capacity and unable to be used. This is obviously a major issue, as many people come to OpenAI to test and use ChatGPT, and for those who rely on it for their job. Some examples of other tools offered by OpenAI include DALL-E, a tool that allows you to generate images from text descriptions, GPT-3, a text generation tool, and DALL-E 2, an improved version of DALL-E with more capabilities. There's also OpenAI's Gym and RoboSchool, which are toolkits for developing and comparing reinforcement learning algorithms. Furthermore, OpenAI also provides APIs for natural language processing, computer vision and other AI tasks, making it a one-stop shop for all your AI needs. The company also offers various resources such as tutorials, guides and pre-trained models that can be used to improve your projects. OpenAI's platform is designed to be user-friendly, and the company's goal is to make AI accessible to everyone. In conclusion, while ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool, there are other AI tools available that may be more suitable for specific tasks. The 7 AI tools discussed in this video, including Runway, Pictory, Toolmap, Browse AI, Midjourney, Jasper AI and OpenAI tools. They all offer a wide range of capabilities and are worth exploring. Now, whether you're a content creator, a business owner or a developer, these tools can help you achieve your goals faster and more efficiently. Thank you for being all ears throughout the entire video. to create his effort to copy his genius Albert Einstein. And remember, if you want to expand your income by building an online income, well, feel free to contact me so we'll get things moving right away. And remember, if you want to change your life, let's make a change together. You need to make a change.